Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Solution. Today I will show you two powerful WhatsApp tricks. First, how to send and download high quality images without losing clarity. And second, how to view deleted messages that someone deletes the message after sending it. Let's dive right in. Open WhatsApp and choose the chat where you want to send the message. Instead of tapping the camera or gallery, tap the paper icon and choose document. Now go to your gallery and select the photo from your file. So when you send the document, WhatsApp will keep the original resolution. The person receiving it will see the document's file. So once they download it, the image will be in its original high quality, not compressed like normal. The other way is to go to WhatsApp setting, storage and data, media upload quality. Then you can select the quality for the photo and video to be sent. The default is standard quality, which is faster to send and has a small file size. So select the HD quality here. This ensures photos you send keep better resolution, even if not sent as a document. Now let's talk about deleted messages. You have probably seen the text this message was deleted, like this. But with a trick, you can still view them using the built-in Android setting. Go to Settings, Notifications, Advanced Settings, Notification History, and turn on Notification History. So after this, anytime someone deletes the message, you can check your notification history and still read what they sent. So to check the deleted message, go to Settings, Notifications, Advanced Setting, and Notification History. Then you will see this one, which is the deleted message. If your phone doesn't support notification history, you can still install apps like NoteSave or Notification History Log. These apps save all incoming WhatsApp notifications, including deleted messages. But please remember that third-party apps may access your notifications, so use them wisely. On iPhone, notification history for deleted message is not supported, and Apple restricts third-party apps, so this trick works best on Android only. And that is it. Now you know how to send high-quality photos on WhatsApp and how to read deleted messages. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hashtag Solution, and share it with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.